Once upon a time in the magical land of Colorvale, there lived a curious little squirrel named Nibbles. Nibbles loved to explore and discover new things. One sunny morning, while scurrying through the vibrant forest, he stumbled upon a peculiar object half buried in the ground. It was a tiny, glimmering seed that sparkled with all the colors of the rainbow. Excited by his find, Nibbles took the seed to his best friend, a wise old owl named Oliver. "Look what I found, Oliver!" Nibbles exclaimed, holding up the rainbow seed. "What do you think it is?" Oliver peered at the seed with his big, round eyes. "Ah, Nibbles, this is a very special seed. It's said that when planted, it can grow into a magical tree that grants one wish to whoever believes in the magic of Colorvale." Intrigued, Nibbles decided he wanted to plant the seed. He found a sunny spot in the meadow and gently buried it in the soil. Every day, Nibbles watered the seed and whispered his hopes and dreams to it. Days turned into weeks, and one bright morning, Nibbles awoke to find a magnificent tree sprouting from the ground. Its leaves shimmered in shades of red, blue, green, yellow, and purple, dancing in the gentle breeze. Nibbles was overjoyed and quickly gathered his friends to share the excitement. As the sun set, the tree began to glow. Nibbles could wish for an endless supply of acorns or a big cozy home. But as he looked at his friends, he realized what he wanted most: happiness for everyone in Colorvale. Taking a deep breath, Nibbles made his wish. The tree sparkled brightly, and suddenly, a shower of colorful petals rained down upon the meadow. Each petal carried a burst of happiness, filling the air with giggles and warmth. All the animals began to dance and play, their hearts light and full of joy. From that day on, Colorvale was never the same. Nibbles and his friends celebrated their bond, knowing that true happiness comes not from wishing for things, but from sharing joy with others. And the rainbow tree stood tall, a reminder of the magic that happens when you believe in the power of friendship. And so, the tale of Nibbles and the rainbow seed became a cherished story in Colorvale, reminding everyone that the greatest wishes come from the heart, and they lived happily ever after.